Hey guys, we're outside. We're going to do a little unboxing of a TacPack. So I'm going to move you in closer, and that way you can see more of it than me, and we'll get busy. Alright, so we're going to take our Schrade, which is super sharp, and go away from the body. If I can find the right crease, there we go. Put away the Schrade for now. TacPack. In my opinion, for the money you spend, this is probably one of the better subscription boxes. I've dealt with TacPack in the past. They're great people. Little card here. I don't know if it's in camera because I can't see it. I don't have a monitor. But, alright. First things first, the Sons of Liberty tee. It's a t-shirt. Sorry for the wind. Hazards of doing this outside. Hopefully it's not too bad at your end. Here, make yourself useless and hold a bag. Not a bad looking shirt. Something I'll wear. It's nice and soft. Ugh. Sons of Liberty on it. The back side, it's got Sons of Liberty Gunworks. So that's something I'll wear. The wind, the wind. Next we have Black Rifle Coffee Cup. Here, be more useless. Black Rifle Coffee. I've yet to get some, so I'm going to have to get me, and this is a stainless steel mug. That actually holds more than my current coffee cup. I guess we'll know what we'll be using from now on to drink our coffee. Stainless steel should keep the coffee nice and warm longer. Next we got the Gerber Paraframe. Now I've actually had one of these before, but mine was a straight blade. It wasn't serrated, so what's the best way to use a knife? Open up another knife. Try to do this so I don't cut my shirt, because I really want to wear that. Who knows, I might wear it on the next live stream. Oh wait, it's Friday. I'll wear it on Gills.
And Dad just got that, so he doesn't want to cut it already. If
That like that. And we'll flip this up. Save that for later, maybe. Try not to make too much garbage. Here's another piece for you.
Pew, pew, pew.
And I have a piece of plastic. So let's see. Adequately sharp. Oh yeah, she's shaving. Not bad. I'm not a fan, as I've stated in videos in the past, I'm not a fan of serrated on pocket knives. They do have their place, don't get me wrong. But I'm just not a fan of it. But it's a liner lock. Let's see. It's right at 3 inches. Ooh, I gotta fix that blade. It's getting stiff all over it. But it's 3 inch. And did I give you the package? Yeah, I did. Let me see the package. It's stiff, I'll say that, so it's going to take a little bit of work to get her to loosen up. Titanium nitride coated, clip point, thumb studs, pocket clip, frame lock. Let's see. Just says stainless steel. Doesn't say which brand of stainless steel. Oh, it's probably just a standard good old 440. Yep. 3 inch or 7.6 centimeter blade. This is one hand opening. Not in its new configuration. And nope. See, that's why I like my Schrade. You know, you just go, and it's open. Yeah, it's not a flip knife. It's just well used. Next we have a chamber safety flag. And I could get my logo on one. Wow! Who would buy one that said SOP on it? Probably nobody. But here, that means my coffee cup's empty. Somebody needs to go fill it.
Me.
Aww. A patch. Like TacPack, guys? Really? Really? Precious? Come on, guys. Precious?
I guess that's
Really? You know what? I'll just have to give this to one of the girls in the group. First girl that orders some burned wood from me, and I think we already know who that is. I'll just probably throw this in there and say, here, you can have that. Because I'm definitely not precious. Not me.
But you are very cool and fun.
And let's see, that's wrapping paper, and last is shooter's tape.
What's that?
Well, it's tape. Now let's see what it says. A product we developed with range in mind, build makeshift targets, used to secure existing targets, or any general high-vis packing purpose. This includes 1 MOA target grids. Toss in your range bag right now, just in case. So, as you can see, it comes with, these are 1 MOA grids. I haven't been to the range in 2 years, roughly, maybe a little bit longer. But, you know, I actually see where this could be kind of handy. Now, some people may think it's kind of quacky, but well, teach their own. But you know what? Between the knife and the coffee cup and the tape, I don't think it was all that bad. Just this whole precious thing. It's gonna eat me up. Precious. Come on, guys. Really?
Give him something better than precious.
Yeah. I mean, it does come with another piece of Velcro. Whoa, it's windy. Another piece of Velcro, but so you can sew this in place, and then you can put this where you want it. I'm definitely not going to put this on the front of my plate carrier. No. I mean, it looks like a taco. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, what do you think? Is that a taco? Anywho, yeah, that's what we got. So, alrighty, get the dirt off my shirt. I'll be wearing this tonight. I don't know if the video will be out tonight, but that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna throw that in the box. And throw that in the box. And throw this in the box.
And I hold the
Throw that in the box.
I hold the trash. Pew pew.
Put this back in the pocket because I always have a knife on me.
Just in case.
And let's hope the video kept going while I haven't been able to watch the camera. So that's it for now. We'll see you tonight on Gilstream. Or whenever you see this, I will have been on Gilstream. So who knows? We'll see you later. Peace. God bless.
Bye.